Colon Street, a historical street in downtown Cebu City that is often called the oldest and the shortest national road in the Philippines. It is named after Cristóbal Colón, or Christopher Columbus. It traces its origins to the town plan by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, the Spanish conquistador who arrived in the Philippines to establish a colony in 1565. Colon Street used to be the site of fashionable shops, offices, and movie houses. It was once the heart of Cebu City shopping and business activity, but in recent years, much of this activity has shifted inland to the more modern, bigger, and diverse commercial and business districts, now spread in almost all the urban areas of the city in what was considered residential and leisure settlements. Today, Colon is crowded and bit run down. In 2006, the Cebu City Council proposed a plan to close parts of Colon from vehicular traffic and convert it to a tourism zone. However, this was met with opposition from businessmen and motorists due to concerns regarding security and parking spaces. Colon Street may have lost its splendor, but it has always been a part of Cebu City's history and the lifestyle of the Cebuanos.